guys, it's Abby in the garage, and today with me I have Pat Johnson from Rugged Ridge, and we're going to take a look at the Armis soft rolling truck bed cover. So tell me a little bit about this particular cover.
This bed cover is an ideal solution for somebody who has a Gladiator and wants a budget-friendly, soft cover on the vehicles. Nice low profile. The material that we use on here is a soft top light material, so it mimics the appearance of the soft top on the Jeep Gladiator. It's an easy install, takes less than an hour. It rolls up nice and tight all the way up against the bulkhead of the vehicle, leaving maximum use of the bed if they do need to get inside. When it's closed, it seals out all the elements. Because it's a soft cover, there are some ribs in here that help to keep the water from ponding on here, but it's a great solution to keep the bed secure and give great outdoor appearance.
So one thing some people might worry about with this type of cover is the warranty. So what are we looking at here?
With all of our products, we offer a minimum 5-year warranty, including these soft covers.
So let's take a look at how this works.
Sure. So they open the tailgate. There's a thumb trigger on the driver's side. Roll that header up. Just roll it nice and tight. And as it gets up here to the bulkhead, there's a nice strap on each side. Strap that together. As you can see here, you have use of virtually the entire bed if you need it. The 2 rails that are on the side are already hard mounted in. You're ready to go.
So when we're looking at the installation process for this, is it pretty easy? Does it take a long time?
It's probably about a 2 on the difficulty scale, so it's not hard. It does take a little bit longer than some of the other tops because you're installing 2 rails on each side, but there's no drilling involved. All the hardware comes with it, so you're going into existing mount locations on the vehicle. The one thing to note on this rolling cover, it does require the trail cargo system that comes as an option from the factory. If your vehicle doesn't have that, then use the brackets that come with the top.
Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Armis soft rolling truck bed cover from Rugged Ridge. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out the description below for product information and numbers, as well as a dealer locator link where you can find a dealer near you that will be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you love it, click the bell icon so you never miss a notification when we post a new video. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.